5 Acids, Bases, and Salts. And we are going to continue with bases. So, bases are bitter to taste. Like we have discussed, acids are sour to taste, but bases are bitter to taste. And bases are soapy to touch. But if you remember, we have discussed that acids are corrosive in nature. Like if you are going to touch acids, you could harm yourself. But bases, they are soapy to touch. That means अगर आप उन्हें touch करते हैं, they feel slippery, like a soap. And water-soluble bases are also known as alkalis. That means all alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. So जो भी bases आपके water में soluble हो सकते हैं, we call them alkalis. Along with that, bases turn red litmus blue. Like we have discussed, litmus is one of the indicators, and bases क्या करते हैं? Bases red litmus indicator को blue color में change कर देते हैं. And another important property of bases is that they are having pH greater than 7. That means इनका pH 7 से ज़्यादा होता है. और अगर pH 7 से कम होता है तो उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them acids. And if pH is at 7, अगर किसी भी substance का pH 7 है, that means the substance is neutral in nature. ना तो उसे हम acid कहेंगे, ना ही base कहेंगे. Now these are the examples of bases. Detergents, soaps, dishwasher. All of the soaps, detergents, all are having bases in them. And if we say that some soap is very smooth, soft, and it's very gentle to our skin, that means that soap is have less basic. Soap is less basic in nature. जो भी detergent या जो भी soap जितना ज़्यादा harsh, that means that is having more base in that. That is having strong base. तो आपके जो detergents होते हैं, dish wash होते हैं, they all are having strong bases because we need to clean our clothes or dish wash them. As well as hand washes, they are also having bases in them. Baking soda, like we have discussed earlier, sodium hydrogen carbonate is another example of base. Drain cleaners, आपके cleaners, all of these cleaners are having bases in them. Like we have discussed, the common base in all these disinfectants cleaner is that ammonia. Lime water, which is calcium hydroxide. Again, another example of base. Milk of magnesia. And other name for milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide, which is commonly known as antacid. That means we use it to get relief from acidity. So these are the common examples of bases which we use in our everyday life. Now, what are bases? So bases, these are bitter to taste, and if we rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching. So the solutions which are soapy to touch, bitter in taste, we call them bases. Or these substances are basic in nature. Now some other examples. Name of the bases as well as their sources. Like we have discussed, sodium hydroxide, which is a common base found in soaps, detergents. Magnesium hydroxide, like we have just discussed, an antacid, which we use to get relief from acidity. Aluminium hydroxide, another antacid. Deodorants, आपके जितने भी sprays होते हैं, they are also having a base called aluminium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. If you remember, we have discussed regarding lime water in chapter 6 also, is that lime water get turned into milky in the presence of carbon dioxide. So lime water is another example of base. Ammonium hydroxide, which is a common base found in cleaners. आपके window cleaners में ammonium hydroxide होता है. magnesium hydroxide, again antacid. So these are the common examples of bases we found around us. Thank you. We'll continue next time.